Hello everyone, also hi to the ladies. My name is Nthabi. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey sis. So I start off by dampening and detangling my hair. For this look, I used my Isoplus styling gel. It states that it gives a firm hold, it gives shine, and it molds and conditions the hair. If this gel doesn't work for you, you can try Styler, and if that also doesn't work for you, just try finding any gel that has holding properties. I started off by mapping out where I wanted to position my bun. This is the molding gel wax I use. It retails for 50 Rand. I first go in with my gel. And then I comb through and then I section out the hair again and I go in with gel. After applying the gel, I went in with my molding wax. The molding wax helps mold the hair into position, and it also takes care of flyaways. So I always use them together. The wax alone does not work. It will break your hair. It will literally disappoint you. So you have to balance the two products together. So after that, I combed through the hair and I added gel to the last section, and then I went over again with my wax. After that, I combed through the hair and I went in with wax. If you are still learning how to do your hair, or if your hair is thicker than mine, I suggest that you work in sections. I sectioned out some hair for my edges. If you don't like laying your edges, you can just brush everything in. After that, I combed everything up using my pick and my nail brush. This nail brush is great for smoothing the hair once it's tied. I think you can purchase it at Clicks or Discam or any beauty supply store. Because of my length and density, I can still get away with not working in sections, but I suggest that you work in sections. So after tying, I smoothed in the wax first. Make sure that you smooth it in. And after that, I went over with my gel. So throughout the video, I keep going back and forth with the gel and the wax. Not too much, just a good amount. Balance them out, but don't go overboard. So as you brush through with that nail brush, the hair becomes more saturated with the product. It helps spread the product equally through the hair. The white particles are from the gel wax because it is oil based, and that is counteracted by the gel. I have load shedding in the next 15 minutes, so I'm trying to rush through this part. I'm going to retie the hair. Wax. I'm just taking care of those flyaways that might be at the back. Then I'm gonna tie and probably retie again. I want this to be on the side. Just smooth it with your brush. So I fastened my hair with 2 ribbons and 1 rubber band because it didn't feel secure enough. Don't fasten it too tightly or you'll get a headache. Just fasten it tight enough. Immediately after tying the hair, I had load shedding, so I wore my dooks. I always have a silk-like dook at the base, and then I wear 2 cotton dooks on top of that. So this is 2 hours later, and I came back just to do the edges. Because the hair was dry, I spritzed it with some water, and then I went in with my gel and my wax. I sped through this process because I wasn't quite sure as to how I wanted to lay them, but also the hair ended up falling onto this pot, so I didn't feel the need to show you the process in detail. I don't know if you can tell, but the hair was almost dry, and it was laid in position. This is because I didn't go in with a lot of gel. You just have to balance the two products out. Yes, the overall process requires a lot of products, but you have to balance the two. Some gel, wax. So the wax helps you mold it into place. With the gel alone, it's going to be really hard to do it, a bit challenging to do it, unless your hair is relaxed. In here it's a bit misty already. It's the oil, because this has tea tree oil. Because it's winter, it freezes, and when it's spring and it's hot, it melts. So you always have to balance it with your gel and then put some oil sheen. And if you feel like this doesn't work for you, you find any edge control that works best for you. Wax. So you smooth it in, whatever it is that you'll be using. If it's not this wax, if it's edge control, you smooth it in, and then after that you go over with your gel. The gel should be the last thing that you go on top with, and then you can use your spritz. So after that, I laid my hair overnight, and this is the following morning. Always wear a silk or a silk-like doek like mine at the base, and then you can wear any other cotton doek on top of that. I had a few white patches around my edges. These are sometimes caused by the wax, and this can be counteracted easily by just using your oil sheen or water or your gel. It's honestly an easy fix. It's not a train smash. For the ponytail, I used my clip-ins. I wanted the curl pattern to be loose. It is suggested that you use leave-in conditioner, but I didn't have any, so I used water and my Eco Styler gel. These are human hair, so you can wash them off and they'll be fine. To attach them to your hair, you pop the clip open and you insert it into your hair, and then you close it. The clips come in different lengths. As I added more clip-ins, it became a bit more challenging to lock the clip in. So I ended up taking strands out and wrapping them around the weft to help secure it. As you watch, it will make sense. I tried to accessorize with these pearl bobby pins, but the placement was not cute and I didn't have time to fix it because load shedding. I took them out, I inserted another clip in because I wanted more volume, and then I sectioned out a piece of hair, and I wrapped it around the base to conceal the wefts at the back. After that, I accessorized with this clip. This was 5 Rand at Cosmetic Connection. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, you can leave that in the comment section and I will respond. Thank you for watching. Bye.